All right, it's about 6:30 in the morning. I have today off, and that means we're gonna install some taillights on the F-150. But first, I need coffee. So the taillights that we're going to install today are from VLAND. In my opinion, they're the best taillights that are out there aftermarket for the F-150 today. There's no beating the OEM taillights, but the price is pretty high, and you know, I'm trying to do all this on somewhat of a budget. You'll notice that these taillights look remarkably similar to an OEM taillight that exists for a different brand today. I'll give you through the whole video to figure out what they look like, and I'll let you know at the end. But yeah, let's move some cars around and get started on this. Before we install this, I want to take a second and show you why I have to install it. So if you look, normal turn signal, burnt out bulb. Yeah. So let's see what's in the box. The good thing is that this should be a pretty simple installation. You have a adapter harness that came with the set that is for 2015 to 2017 F-150s. This is a 2018. Basically, that means we only have one plug that we need to connect. Let's get to it. Let's just plug them in real quick and make sure everything is working as expected. Hey, there we go. Looks pretty good. Oh yeah, I dig that. Well, there you have it, guys. Super simple, and I think they look amazing. Why don't we get this all cleaned up here and get some nice shots? Hold the phone. So I noticed these white marks all throughout the black trim around this. Just tried to clean it off and it's not coming off. So looks like I have a customer support case to log. Great. Man, it's hard for stuff like that to just not like completely suck the wind out of my sails. You know, you spend a couple $100 and you're really excited to get something installed, and then you find out that it's not perfect. So for right now, I would say don't buy the VLAND taillights. Let's see how the manufacturer responds to my customer support request. But I still think they look great. So let's get some shots to show you what they look like. There is a notable improvement. The right turn signal no longer hyper flashes. Well, there you have it. The taillights are installed, and despite the cosmetic defect, I gotta say I'm pretty happy with the way they look, and I hope that the manufacturer can make it right. Now we're gonna head home, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and train the Tpms. I still have the dash light on in the truck, and I would love to have that go away for the first time in 2 years. You know what I just noticed? 38 degrees. Where did summer go? Where did fall go? We're in winter now. So my family and I moved into our home a little over a year ago, and it's crazy because we lived in the community right next to this one for 10 years, and we had no idea that this area was back here. I love driving up to it. It's kind of like you're going into a secret hiding spot. Unfortunately, the TPMS reset was a big fat fail. I tried it twice, followed the instructions I read online, which was push the hazard 6 times and then let the air out of your tires, and it never recognized my TPMS system. So I don't know what I need to do. If you have any advice, I'd be interested in hearing them in the comments. But for now, I'm gonna have to put up with the low tire pressure sign. That about wraps up this video, I guess then, guys. If you remember earlier in the video, I said that the taillights that I bought look like the OEM taillights of a different vehicle. Do you know what they are? The Range Rover. I can't remember what year, but definitely the Big Daddy Land Rover Range Rover is what those taillights look like, and that's probably why I was instantly drawn to them. I've always been a big fan of Range Rovers. But anyways, if you got it, congrats, and I'll see you in the next video. Later, guys. Bye.